we gon' put it right to their face. Yeah, shoot it up, shoot it up, shoot it up. Shoot it up, shoot it up, shoot it up. Shoot it up, shoot it up, shoot it up. Shoot it up, shoot it up, shoot it up. Yeah.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy back with another bang. In today's video, we're gonna be talking about some shoes I've been waiting to come out since I seen the teasers drop. The Yeezy 350 V2 Dazzling Blues. Now these Yeezy 350 V2s are gonna be dropping this upcoming Saturday, February 26th for $230 US. Now this is $10 more than the usual retail price, but the profit margin should make up for the extra additional $10. Now there is some pretty good stock on these shoes, but I'm not gonna lie, so I would get my hopes up too high for like a lot of stock, but it is a pretty good amount of stock. You should have a pretty good chance of getting your hands on these shoes. Now I know I've been gone for a minute, but you guys already know the drill, man. I'm gonna give you guys the chronological order of the sites y'all should be focusing on for this drop. This drop is gonna start pretty early at 6 a.m. my time, 7 a.m. EST. So make sure you guys do get up early for this drop, man. It's gonna be worth it, trust me. Now before I get started with the sites, make sure you guys do go to the Confirmed app. It is gonna be a lot of stock allocated towards this app, so make sure you guys do go to the Confirmed app. Enter in as much accounts as you can, as much accounts as possible. This will increase your chances of copping these shoes. Now on to the first sites for 7 a.m. EST. Hibbit is the first site I would focus on because this is a first come, first serve site. Make sure you guys do get the app. Make sure you guys do have Apple Pay if you do have an Apple product. Apple Pay will get you through very quickly, but don't be too quick because sometimes it might detect you as a bot. So make sure you guys do take your time when scrolling down the screen. You know, don't be slow, you feel what I'm saying? But like scroll down like a regular person. Don't get to swiping, you feel what I'm saying? Hit that Apple Pay button, just try to get through, get your size, and be quick with it. Now also at 7 a.m. EST is gonna be all the other foot sites, Champs, Foot Locker, DSG, etc. Now for these foot sites, if you are manual, I wouldn't focus on anything else besides DSG. I've been having a lot of success with DSG, and I've been seeing a lot of people have a lot of success with Dick's Sporting Goods. So make sure you guys do focus your attention towards Dick's Sporting Goods because this will probably be your best chance of copping on a foot site manual. Now at 8 a.m. EST, Undefeated should be dropping. Now, like I said, if you guys are manual, I mean, your chances are gonna be pretty slim, but I mean, I would still try because I don't see anything else dropping at 8 a.m. EST. You might still be in queues for the foot sites, DSG, you know what I'm saying, Foot Locker, but make sure you guys still do try for Undefeated, especially if you do have an extension like Lightning, for example, you know what I'm saying, that will help you on these type of fast first come, first serve drops. So if you guys do have an extension or you just guys want to try your luck, make sure you guys do go for Undefeated at 8 a.m. EST. Now at 9 a.m. EST, Yeezy Supply is gonna drop. Yeezy Supply normally does allocate a lot of stock towards their website as well, just like I said for Confirmed. So this is where the bulk of the stock is gonna be held, on the Confirmed app and on Yeezy Supply. So make sure you guys do wake up for that Yeezy Supply drop. I ain't gonna lie though, bro. Yeezy Supply ain't been on my side lately, bro. They is not messing with me, fool. I've been going for Yeezy Supply drops for the last like 5-6 drops, man. I ain't hit nothing. You hear me? So your best chances, manual, bro, I would say DSG and Confirmed that. Yeezy Supply ain't been messing with me, but it might, you know what I'm saying, you might get lucky. So make sure you guys do wake up at 9 a.m. EST for that Yeezy Supply drop. Now at 10 a.m. EST, this is gonna be a majority of Shopify site drops. Kith, Jimmy Jazz, you feel me? Sites like that. So make sure you guys are up at 10 a.m. EST for those Shopify drops. Shopify drops, like I said, if you do have that extension, Lightning, for example, Lightning to get you through that checkout real quick, man. For Shopify sites, you're gonna need an extension, or you're gonna be heavily quick with your fingers because stock flies on Shopify sites, man. Stock is gone. One day, I went on Shop Nice Kicks like 30 seconds after the drop was initiated, bro. Everything gone, you feel what I'm saying? So make sure you guys, if you are trying to go for that Shopify site, Shop Nice Kicks, Jimmy Jazz, DTLR, any of those sites, man, just make sure you are super quick because stock is gonna fly, trust me. Now for the last site to drop in the US, it is gonna be at 11 a.m. EST, and this should be Dover Street Market, New York. Now, I haven't went for Dover Street Market, New York in a minute, so I can't really personally give you my personal like opinion on the site, you feel what I'm saying? Because the other sites, I already told you, man, that stock be flying. But this site, DSMNY, I haven't went for them personally in a while, so I'm not for sure. But the last times I did go on that site, man, stock flew. So if you guys are planning on going for Dover Street Market, just make sure you guys are in early. Make sure you guys try to get an extension so it can speed up the checkout process, speed up the carting process, because a lot of times, bro, bots gonna beat you out either way it go, man. Bots take Dover Street Market stock easily every single time bots eat. So, but I mean, it's still worth a try, man. If you do have an extension or you just manual, just try and look, just see how you do, man. Now for resale, let's get to the money. You feel me? I know that's what y'all came here for anyway. So we get into the resale of the Yeezy 350 V2 Dazzling Blues. It's looking nice. You feel what I say? It's looking real good. So let's get to the numbers, man. Damn, bro, that's crazy. So I just checked StockX numbers, and yesterday night before I went to sleep, man, I checked the numbers, and every size was 350 plus. Now I just checked numbers, everything's above 320, but it is sharply decreasing, bro. Like, the value's going down quick, you feel what I'm saying? But I still think these shoes are gonna do good. I still think it's gonna be a cook. Every size is above 320. The biggest size look to be doing very, very good in this shoe. I'm gonna pop up a screenshot right here, of what the price is looking like at the moment. But prices are looking good. You know, usually this close in a drop, what's today, Wednesday? Usually this close coming up on a drop, prices are real low, man. I'm talking about 320, 290 to 320, stuff like that, man. These prices are looking pretty good. I mean, 320 plus, some sizes even in, you know, 350, 400. So I mean, prices are looking good. I'm not gonna say these shoes are gonna flop because I don't think they're gonna flop at all, man. I think these shoes are gonna do something crazy. I'm getting that old 2017, 2018 Yeezy vibes, like the original hype these days. You feel what I'm saying? Like the real hype these days, Yeezy vibes. This is when reselling was real good at its peak. You feel what I'm saying? This is when reselling sneakers was at its peak. So I'm kind of getting that feeling off of these shoes just because of the design, no pull tab, the way the little paint strip, the way it's like kind of disintegrating at the end. I know I'm describing it bad, bro, but I'm loving the way these shoes look. It's giving me old nostalgic vibes back in the day. So I think these shoes are gonna do really good. I've been seeing a lot of good feedback from these shoes on social media, which is an important thing you wanna look for, a lot of good feedback. And like I said, man, just make sure you guys are up for this drop. The Yeezy 350 V2 Dazzling Blues is definitely a great shoe, bro. This is one of them shoes, if you hold in the long run, I say a year, these shoes gonna go crazy. You feel what I'm saying? Some of the Yeezys nowadays they be dropping. If you hold them, they still bricking. These shoes definitely gonna go up, man. Like I said, these got the old feel to them. So, man, you know what I'm saying? We back on the YouTube grind. I'm not gonna leave out like that again, man. It's been a little too long. I checked in my YouTube app. I'm like, man, I really been going for that long. It didn't feel like that long. You feel what I'm saying? So, I'm gonna stay on here, man. I ain't gonna do y'all like that because really school just got rough, man. I mean, I wouldn't say rough, but they just started putting more work on me. So make sure you guys just stick along with me with the journey. I'm gonna be bringing hella videos. I got the whip now, so I'm gonna be taking y'all around the city with me, man. Be showing y'all a lot of stuff. We're gonna be going on shopping vlogs, reselling vlogs. I'm gonna be showing y'all when I get cashed out, stuff like that, man. So make sure you guys do stay tuned for those videos. And if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys do go down below, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. You feel what I'm saying? It's been your boy Cole Keys. I'm out.